This 2022 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2104S is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, skylight, TV, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, water heater, external shower, refrigerator, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2104S is 4,977 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.